So let's talk about immutability in Python, which basically means that you can't change an object. I will give you a fast example here. Here we have an integer variable and we are going to assign a value to it, and then we are going to print the variable and the location in the memory. You know, this ID, this function basically prints the location in the memory, as you can see here. Return the identity of an object. CPython uses the object's memory address. So I will comment this first. Now we are going to run the code. Okay, as you can see here, we have the value and the location in the memory. Now we are going to change the value of the object. And you will see that the type integer is immutable, which means you can't change the object. When we assign a new value, basically we create a new object. So you will see that the memory address here will be different. So here we have the result. As you can see, it's a different location in the memory. But we also have mutable types. For example, a list. Basically, I created a list of integers here, and I'm going to run the code, the same code to see the location, and we have this location in the memory. Now I'm going to change a position in the list, and you are going to see that the location in the memory will remain the same. Here you can see that we changed the second position in our list and the location remained the same because the type list is a mutable object. And here we have some examples of immutable and mutable objects. Immutable are numbers, strings, and tuples. And mutable are lists, dictionaries, and sets. So this was the video. I hope you have understood the concept and of course put in practice to actually learn. I'm going to make more videos about programming, about different subjects. So follow the channel to learn more. Basically, this was the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.